Sei pronto?
Prontissimo.
What do you see Motorsport cycling the coming years?
Hopefully with people riding motorcycles and having the time of their life. Back forest. Everywhere in the world. France. Everywhere. Just like where you just go into the store. Just go for a ride. On a beautiful machine on an nice motorcycle. Not only for motorcycling, for life experience, everything.
Your membership to the Continental has been by thine own hand revoked. No blood on Continental ground, Jonathan. Just walk away. What have you done?
Bruno Langlois, he's the champion.
Welcome to Pie Speak.
Il cugino milanese, che è milanese nel senso che è di Milano, non milanese come definizione di persona, anche se è un po' milanese. Non vuol dire cosa positiva o negativa. Io sono un po' varesino, te sarai un po' triestino, un po' romano, o quello che vuoi.
Not so bad.
Not so bad.
Not so bad. It's good. Now it's good. This morning was very hard, cold. Bugatti Fighter S. Redazione Vergenzano TV.
So how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Non esageriamo, buongiorno a tutti.
7, 8, 9. We've been trying to do this for 1 year.
Yes.
Where's the camera? It's there.
Thank you also to you. Hi guys. I mean aspetta,
Scusate, cioè se io devo fare un'intervista in mezzo e uno esce da là, uno come cazzo fate? Let's go in the office.
We are very anxious to listen to his comment about the bike.
Yes, hello. Hello everybody. Next year, year after year is the same.
Il CIV ormai è cosa tua.
Sì, diciamo cosa mia.
Siamo pronti?
Sì,
Oh.
anch'io.
Allora, Graziano, ben trovato.
Qui faccio il drift. Ho vinto, sì, sto molto veloce, sì. Ho stracciato un commentatore televisivo, un farmacista, un gommista.
Tutti grandi campioni.
Tutti grandi campioni. Per fortuna ho vinto, perché sennò 33 anni esattamente. Come me. Esattamente come me.
Come si chiama? La scuola?
L'ETX Racing.
L'ETX Racing.
3, 2, 1.
For motorcycles. All motorcycle.
Street Fighters.
Siamo a bordo di Tempus Fugit Porto Piccolo. A pleasure to have in Trieste Vicky Song.
Hi everyone. Sorry, can't do it again.
Di vascello Francesco Strazzuolo e sono il comandante di nave Peluso.
Io ho sempre avuto il motore, perché da noi in Romagna non si dice il motore.
È un risultato particolare perché è meglio sesto che secondi. Hey, how you doing? Penso che i primi siamo noi, i tra virgolette veri motociclisti, che dobbiamo dare il buon esempio.
Am I recording? I hope I'm recording. So it's a relaxing interview, so you can say whatever you want.
I normally do.
Nobody does.
Oh, fantastic! I love you guys. Which was the requirement you gave this man to design the bike that we will see?
Single requirement is for Lime to do what the fuck he wants. That was the single requirement, that we had no interference, and we didn't.
So, no Tupperware. Let's leave the Tupperware to the other people. I wanted to make a really cool bike that just happens to be electric. It's not an electric bike. It's a cool bike. I own a Zero, and it's a wonderful bike, but it's got no sound. It's like riding a golf trolley, and I don't like golf trolleys that much. So
We don't play golf.
we actually
You don't play
decided
golf.
to
We don't
put
play
something-
golf.
You play rugby.
We play rugby.
We have on this one is a regular clutch. We didn't put a function, but if you and if they don't like the type of bike, they can go and buy a Honda, Suzuki, Ducati, or whatever else is out there. We're not too bothered with that.
You designed some Ducati. No comment.
No comment.
Siamo a Scaglie con Scaglia.
Siamo a Civitavecchia, va, che meglio.
Ma fa. No, siamo a Scaglia. Strada della Scaglia, Civitavecchia 84 Next Generation Circuit, e siamo con Michel Fabrizio.
Ciao ragazzi.
well, it's been a terrible season.
Hi guys, I'm Zoe. Hello to everybody.
Sentito che sterzo che ha.
Let's do the test drive.
Sono qui nella duplice veste di comandante della Capitaneria di Porto, ma soprattutto di atleta non agonista di barcolana nuota.
Ciao.
Exit right to direction Venezia.
Oggi stiamo
In 200 meters, at the roundabout take the second exit on Via Cesare. At the roundabout take the first exit on Via Cesare Augusto Colombo. In 500 meters, at the roundabout take the second exit on Via Arrigo Boibo.
Scusate un attimo, sposto la macchina. Trovo le chiavi.
You know, at the end of the day, I'd rather come second with a really nice bunch of guys than I win with a bunch of assholes. So that's my principle.
Siamo su Way of Life e siamo con momento, hai sbagliato barca.
Hai sbagliato barca.
I love the bike.
Thank you. It's my mini rain bike. It's my mini version.
Eccomi. Come stai?
Bene, come stai Tony?
A posto, dai. Che dici? Dove sei?
Trieste, un paio d'ore da Akrapovic.
Porca vacca. Vuoi rubare qualcosa intanto, no?
Can we start? Almost, as you can see, 300 questions. I think we can make...
No problem at all. Ah,
Good.
Good to see you again.
All right, Captain Ross, you're clear to take off. Let's go. Kafari.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to our private roof garden.
I know, beautiful location, beautiful setting, and what great views. Stunning.
I'm very happy to ride in Moto E with Gresini Racing. It was not simple because the bike don't make a noise.
Facevo il motore che e non ti basta mai. No, dai.
Ma allora, quest'idea è nata da...
Ci vediamo alla prima gara?
Sicuramente. Ciao.
Grazie. Sono da solo, non c'è schermo, Marco Belli non si vede. Marco Belli, eccolo qui. Distacchi Tef.
Hi.
She's a stunt woman.
Yeah, that's right.
We're here with Federico Caricasulo.
Yeah, everything's great. You know, we're here in the Netherlands now. You know, and then I'm getting on a flight in about 2 hours. I've got to be on a flight, and then we're going back to the UK.
Freaking insane.
Non sarà semplice perché gli avversari vogliono battermi.
Yeah, it was very clear. I will be a racer.
Alan gave me a lot of advices and tips and stuff like that during all my career since I was 13.
Welcome, and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, and you have to test ride it.
Yes, please.
My friend!
Good?
Woohoo! I did it.
You finally did it. Well done, man.